In this video, we'll go through the process of installing an Ultrasync touchscreen on an Ultrasync system. Make sure the Ultrasync Hub is installed and online. Start by plugging the Ultrasync touchscreen into power. Once the device is powered up, you will need to get it connected to the wireless network. Select Wi-Fi from the menu on the left side. A list of wireless networks will appear. Select the Wi-Fi network that your Ultrasync Hub is connected to. Enter the network password and click Connect. The word Connected will appear under the wireless network you're connected to. Select Finish to complete this step. Next, select Enroll from the menu on the left side. There are 3 steps for connecting the touchscreen to the hub. First, select the Ultrasync Hub 0 wire you wish to connect to. Note, typically there will be only one. You will be asked for the installer pane you programmed into the Ultrasync Hub. Then select Done. Next, select the tablet number you would like assigned to this device. Now select the area or areas you want to control by scrolling and selecting from the list on the touchscreen. Note, on a single area or partition system, you will select Area 1. Selecting Enroll tablet will complete the enrollment process. Now that the touchscreen is enrolled and connected to the hub, we recommend updating to the latest firmware using the Upgrade feature found in the Settings menu. The Ultrasync touchscreen can now be used to control the Ultrasync system.